That heavy blanket of fear can sometimes feel like it is completely running your whole day, can't it? We often let those worries build up inside us until they feel overwhelming and impossible to shake off. What you might not realize is that fear loves to grow in the quiet spaces where you've stopped engaging with your foundational truths. When we intentionally step away from that source of strength, the silence is quickly filled by doubt and irrational thinking. But here is the good news. You hold the tools right now to start shrinking that fear back down to size. The most powerful shift begins when you consciously pivot your attention toward focused, genuine prayer. This isn't just rote repetition. It's about channeling all your energy into a clear conversation, grounding your heart. As that focus sharpens, you'll physically feel the tension start to release from your shoulders and your chest. A great first step is practicing simple, rhythmic breathing, perhaps inhaling for a count of 4 and slowly exhaling longer. Pair that breath work with repeating just one short, powerful verse that anchors your mind to what is true. Think about something strong, like a reminder of unconditional love or presence, to calm your inner turmoil. This act actively trains your mind to reject the fear narrative and choose a different, more stable thought pattern. Focus on the enduring facts of your faith, not just the fleeting feelings of the moment. This is where real mental clarity is found. By making these small daily choices, you begin to establish new internal pathways that favor peace over panic. This consistency is what allows you to maintain that steady, confident walk with your inner peace every single day. You are building a genuine fortress against persistent fear, one intentional breath and one quiet truth at a time. So take that first step now.